Hello YouTube, Digital Phantom here, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a Minecraft server. This is pretty much for all versions. That's the first what we want to do, create a new folder on Minecraft server. Then I've got all links in the description, so what we want to do, go to minecraft.net, go to download it here. And you want to get Minecraft server 1.8.jar. You can get previous versions from the internet, and I do believe that some people have uploaded them. We're just going to wait for that to finish. So my next video will be on like how to install a server with mods and that. So stay tuned for that. My internet is being a bit bad today, so just taking a mic. You just simply drag it into here and you open it. So when it opens for the first time, it will ask you something about this EULA sort file. We do just close this, go into the EULA and change that to true. Then you should reopen the server. So just wait for this to finish. Don't worry about all this. So what we've got here, we've got like banned IPs, banned players. That just keeps like a record of all the banned people. That's ops, so you can type it in. It's recommended that you put your own name in before the server, although you can change it while the server's open. And we've got whitelist in that, which is, I think, some sort of reservation for players. So once this is done, you just hit stop, and I'll save everything. We open server properties, go down. Now this is message of the day. So when you go onto a server, when you're about to connect to it, it'll have like a, it will just by default say a Minecraft server, but you can change it. So we'll just change it to test server. This is just like villages, so you can enable, disable them. That's like skeletons, creepers. That's the maximum players you can have. If you're going to have a lot of players on it, it's recommended that you have a good computer with some good internet. That's just like easy, peaceful and all that. So 0 will be peaceful. Then I think it's about 4 will be hard. PvP, so if you want players to kill each other or not. By default it's true, so they can, but you can change to false if you don't want them to. Online mode, this is for premium users at default. So if you have premium and you don't want any people who don't have premium to join, you keep it true. But if you want to enable it where people without premium can join, then you change this to false. Just be careful that people using a cracked version can log in as you, and it'll boot you from the server, so you've already logged on, and then they can like close the server or just mess everything up from inside the game. So just be careful of that. That's like villages. So server IP, we'll just keep it blank for now. So once you've done that, you just save it. But now what you want to do, we're going to go into the port forwarding bit. So let's do this. Just if you're on Windows 8, just go to your corner screen and type in CMD. Then you want to do IP config. Scroll to the top, find your default gateway and type it in. On the internet, just generally type it in. Now, if you've done it for the first time, it will come up with your internet page, obviously, but it will come up with changing your admin password. Now, to do this, look at the back of your internet router, and where it says like your wireless pin and that, it should say admin password as well. Or if you've got like a recent BT hub like me, you'll be getting a card, something like some chip. When you take it out, it'll tell you admin password on one side, on the other side it'll tell you your wireless key. So you just want to type in the admin password, and when you change it a new password, it's recommended that you just keep it the same, or you change it to something that you can remember. It's up to you. So when you get to this page finally, it will show you the devices connected to your internet. That's my computer at the moment. If your computer is not there, just switch your internet on and off, or reset it a few times, and it should pop up eventually. It took me about 5 times for mine to finally pop up. It's just the internet does that sometimes. So you'll go to settings. You'll have to type in your admin password here. Okay. Go to advanced settings. Import forwarding. Now I've already configured, so I'm going to unassign it and teach you how to do it. I'm just going to wait for this. My internet is a bit bad today, as I said, so it'll take a while for me. So you want to go to supported applications. We'll just delete this. Add new game or application. You want to go to type in Minecraft. No. Then go to TCP. Type in 25565 on each one. That should port for the Minecraft game. So 25565, add. They do the same with UDP. Now, depending on which internet provider you're using, I think it's the same for any internet. I'm not really too sure. If not, just search up how to port forward your internet with Minecraft or something. But this is just for BT. Could be the same for all the others, I have no idea. Once that's done, go to configuration, find Minecraft. Oops. Then where it says device, just find your device, add. And then just click apply. So that's officially port forwarded Minecraft server now, or the port. So what you want to do, you want to go to port forward, remember all links will be in the description. Where it says software, go down to port checker. And you have to download a network utilities bundle. You never used to have to do this, but you do now. It's annoying. But just download it. Just wait for it to finish. Just install it. The reason why we need this is so we can find out what our IP is. And it also tells us whether it's if our computer's supporting it or not, because sometimes your internet might go off something and you'll have to re-port forward, because otherwise it'll say, like, your IP will show up, but it's not from the computer, so the server won't work properly. Each time you reset your internet, you have to re-port forward. Every time your internet goes off, just be reminded that your IP will change. Right, so that's finished now. Close that. And here we are with the bundles. Just open it up. Just click trial. Just click OK. Go to port checker. And just close that. And then what I'm just going to do is just going to pin this to my taskbar so I can just open port forward instantly. So make sure you've got 25565 in this bit and TCP. And click check me. There you go. So this is what I'm on about with the computer. It's say if you've port forward correctly, your port will be open onto the computer. This is why you need the software so you can find the IP and see if your port is open. So just remember that. Remember, if your internet router is reset, you'll have to re-port forward. It's quite simple, really. Right, so that's port forward. What we'll do now is we're going to open the server. You can use Hamachi, but it can be annoying sometimes. And oh yeah, that's another thing. So make sure you take a note of your IP, because you have to close. You have to close it down. So we're going to open Minecraft. So what we're going to do, we're going to open Minecraft, add the server with the IP, then we're going to close this and then open the server. Because otherwise it'll come up saying the port is already running. Just remove it now. Just go to this. I'm just going to add that in. There you go, so that's just set there. what we'll do is we close that now. I'm just going to go to ops, we can just add my name. So inside the brackets, just put your username in. And just open the server. And it's loaded. Just go in now. The server will be open. You'll be able to join it. I'd recommend searching on the internet if this is your first time on servers and that you have no idea what commands there are. You can type in like /help in it. So the internet is absolutely terrible. It's recommended you have good internet, to be quite honest. If you have bad internet, from personal experience, it will eventually smooth out, just saying, but it'll take about half an hour or an hour. But eventually it will smooth out, depending on how many people are on it. So if we just go to /help, you can view all the commands for most of them. Or you could just search on the internet, multiplayer commands for admins and that. So that's the science behind my server. So if you have any questions, just ask in the comments. And my next video will be on how to use mods like Galactic Craft or something like that. Any mod in particular. I think I might do a bucket video at some point. Buckets like it's sort of mods, but it's more of like coding in it. Just that the code's pretty much done for you, but people can upload what they call plugins, and that just changes things like shops and that, for example, or like a digital economy. But you can edit the code yourself and change things for your own personal server, change like the appearances and that of like colours, have ranks, have jobs and all that. But that's all just going to be for another video. So thanks for watching. Like I said, if you have any comments, just ask for questions. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.